Hey everyone, it's Michelle Caruana from the Marketing Junkie podcast. And in case you haven't heard, Facebook is recommending that all businesses who advertise using Facebook or Instagram verify their domain on Facebook Business Manager before continuing to use ads and before the iOS update comes out for Apple users. Now, there are a variety of reasons for this. So if you want the full details, I'm going to post my last video where I go super in depth in the description of this video. So if you want the details, go ahead and click there. But in this really quick tutorial, I'm just going to show you step by step how you can verify your domain and check this item off your to-do list. Now, I'm going to show this example using a Squarespace website, but the steps are going to be very similar regardless of what kind of website you have or website builder you use. All right, let's verify our domain.
All right, so again, to get to your Business Manager account, you're going to go to business.facebook.com. Next, once you get there, you're going to go under Business Tools in this left-hand navigation bar. Now, Business Settings is under my shortcuts, but it might not be under yours. So you may need to scroll under Manage Business and then Business Settings. Next, once you get to your business settings, you're going to scroll down on the left-hand navigation until you find Brand Safety. Under Brand Safety, you're going to select Domains. Now, I already went ahead and added the example that I'm going to show today, but if you want to add a new domain, all you have to do is click this blue Add button. Now, it's important to not do www before your domain. It's just going to be yourwebsite.com, and then you're going to click Add Domain once you're done typing it in. Now, you will need to go ahead and Control refresh this page in order for your new domain to show up in this header navigation. So next, there are 3 different ways to verify your domain. There's DNS verification, next there's HTML file upload, and then finally there's meta tag verification. For most instances, I found the meta tag verification to be much simpler than the other 3, so that's what I'm going to go ahead and show you today. All you need to do is go ahead and copy this code to your clipboard, so very similar to installing a Facebook pixel. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on this bit of code. It's already copied to my clipboard now, as you can see, and now I'm going to navigate over to my website and paste this little bit of code in the header of our website. But don't navigate away from this page. Use a new tab to navigate to your website because we're going to come back and make sure that everything is verified by clicking this green Verify button. All right, let's head over to your website. All right, now that we're inside of Squarespace, we're going to go ahead and paste that little bit of code into the header section of our website. So on this main Squarespace page that you see when you sign in, you're going to go ahead and click Settings. Then you're going to scroll down until you can select Advanced. Next, you're going to select Code Injection. And then right here in this header section, you're just going to hit Command Paste. And as you can see, it went ahead and pasted that little bit of code. I'm going to go ahead and hit Save. Now you might need to wait a few minutes, as much as 5 minutes. You might need to refresh before you go back and hit that Verify button, just as a FYI. Now that I've waited a few minutes, I'm going to go ahead and double check that everything worked. I'm going to go ahead and hit Verify. All right, looks like we are all set and our domain is verified.
All right, so hopefully your domain is verified. If you did run into an issue, there is a Facebook troubleshooting function that will pop up if for whatever reason your domain did not get verified. A lot of times there are redirect issues or something like that. So go ahead and follow Facebook's help features if your domain for whatever reason did not successfully get verified. And again, for all of the details on what the Apple update means for Facebook, Instagram, Google Ads, everything like that, I'm going to put my in-depth video including exactly what changes are coming and exactly what you need to do to prepare your business and your ad accounts. Right now, I'm going to link that video in the description of this video. All right, have a great day.